Hello machine learning gang, and welcome back to my video. So we are continuing with our deep learning series. So today is going to be a different kind of a video. I just want to make sure that if we are on the same page. So today we are going to talk about what is the training, development, and test set, right? So the training set is the data set on which we train our algorithm or a data set that which we run our algorithm on. And then the development set is the data set which you tune parameters, select features, make decisions regarding the learning algorithm. So when we develop our algorithm, right, we train it on the training data set. But if you want to tune our algorithms, we look at the development set. That's what we use to tune our algorithm, be it to change parameters, to change the architecture of the model, we use the development set. And then we have the test set. The test set is the data set that we use to evaluate the performance of the algorithm of our algorithm. So the other thing is that development and test set should come from the same distribution. So that means that whenever we are collecting our data set, we must make sure that the development and test set should come from the same distribution. For example, let's make sure that you are collecting data set that is to be used to detect if a picture is a dog or it's a cat, right? Uh, let's say you are collecting those images from a website. You are using web scraping, like so. And then let's say like you have another data set which comes from pictures that were taken using different smartphone cameras. So you must make sure that if you are going to put those images in your development test set, they should come from the same distribution. That means that if in your development set you put pictures that come from the that were taken using different cameras, you should make sure that your test set is also contains images that were taken using different smartphone cameras. If you collected the images from websites, you should make sure that your development and test set should contain information from these websites, right? So if the development and test set come from a different distribution, you might encounter the following problem. You overfit the, you overfit to the dev set. That is, your algorithm will learn the dev set and then it will fail when we evaluate it using the test set. The other thing is the test set is harder than the dev set. So the algorithm might be doing very well on the dev set but failing to the test set. Then the other thing is the test set is not necessarily harder, but it's just different from the dev set, right? And then we come on to the issue, how large do the dev and test set need to be? So the thing is, let's say you have two different algorithms. You have algorithm A and algorithm B. So your development set should be, let's say we have algorithm A as 90% and algorithm B as 90.1%. So your development set should be large enough to detect the difference between the algorithms that you are trying out. So if algorithm A has 90% accuracy and algorithm B has 90.1% accuracy, then if your dev set is large, it should be large enough that we should note the difference between them, the 0.1% difference between them. That's how large your development set should be. And then the test set should be large enough to give high confidence in the overall performance of our algorithm. So thanks guys for tuning in. Yeah, if you found this video useful, make sure that you click that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, share the video. So in the next video, we'll go on with our implementation of neural networks using keras and tensorflow. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.